Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take back a move on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel. And here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to take back a move. Of course, you can take back a move either of two ways. If you mean like taking really back a move in a real game against a human, like making move then regret it and you want to go back, this is actually impossible to do. But there's the option, of course, of taking back if you're playing against a computer. Let's just choose a computer here. Let's just choose this as an example. And here you will have to choose custom if you want to enable this take back moves. If you click on take backs now, of course, if you play a move and you want to take back, now you'll have to click on this move back and you will be able to move something else. But if you're playing against a human, you'll not be able to take back, but you can see your previous move. If you want just to take back that by the arrow, of course, those arrows or the arrows on your keyboard, as you can see, you can take back and go forward as well. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.